Ever changed your Samsung theme and now regret it? Don't worry, I've got your back. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to bring your Samsung phone theme back to its default look. First, head over to your phone's settings. Scroll down and tap on Themes. Now, in the bottom right corner, hit the menu button and select My Stuff. Here's the cool part. If you only want to reset the icons, just tap on Icons and choose Default. But if you want the full theme reset, go into Themes, pick the default theme, and hit Apply. Boom! Your Samsung phone is back to its original style, just like the first day you got it. And that's it. Super simple, right? If this helped you out, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and share this with your friends who might be stuck with the theme they don't like anymore. Trust me, they'll thank you later.